One of the things that was important to this client was to really minimize the space that was going to be taken up by the primary bedroom. Everything has a light, floating feel to it. I love Japanese woodwork, through the texture and the wood selection and the types of stain to the way that it all elevates, floats, and creates this simple composition. The nightstands appear to hover in midair. The headboard is anchored by a padded natural wool fabric. The whole thing just comes together in a way that is beautiful and functional. I love powder rooms. You can get really creative in ways that aren't necessarily so tightly connected to the rest of the home. It's an isolated space. It provides opportunity to dream a little bigger, dream a little bit more extravagantly. In this powder room, we've put together some elements that I think work particularly well together, from the handmade ceramic Italian feather tile, vanity of our design that is a mix of oak, concrete, and natural stone.